Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my students. So, how are you today?
Miss.
Okay, how are you today? Hello,
Fine,
how are you?
Miss.
Fine. All right. So, today, we would like to study about argumentative text. Yeah. So before that, I want to ask you, who are or who is not come to our class, who is not attend to our class today. I think that all of you have come to our class today, right? Okay, so now let's start our lessons about argumentative. Wait, I will share screen first. Do you see my screen now about argumentative writing? Kelihatan screennya?
No.
No?
Oh, yes.
Yes, okay, thank you. Okay, last week we have discussed about argumentative, yeah. Okay, understanding the structures of an argumentative text. Last week we have discussed about the introduction paragraph, and you are also have submit your homework to my email. So now we continue about the body paragraph and concluding paragraph in argumentative writing. Ya, jadi hari ini kita melanjutin pembahasan kita tentang body paragraph and also conclusionnya. How to write body paragraph and conclusion paragraph in argumentative writing. Yeah. Let's see. This is about introduction paragraph. All right, so this one about the body paragraphs. So firstly, I would like to explain first, and then we're gonna have the assignment to do for this morning. Yeah, the body paragraph. So an argumentative essay will have as many body paragraphs as there are supporting reasons. So in the body paragraph, we need supporting reason. And then this will determine how many paragraphs your essay should be made of. And for our example, we will be working with a 2-paragraph essay. So the order that you state your supporting reason in your thesis or claim will be the order of your body paragraph. Yeah. So there I have 5 stages of the body paragraph. First, about topic sentence, and then have detail like for evidence, and then commentary, counter argument or opposing side, and also rebuttal. So this is the 5 stage of body paragraph, and also have the definition each stage. Firstly, about topic sentence, that is the main idea or supporting reason restate. So it means that for body paragraph, there are not only for many sentence, but also there is have the stage of body paragraph, yeah. And then the second one is details or evidence. So in body paragraph, we need evidence. We cannot say that many argument there, but you need evidence for the argument that you give in the body paragraph. So detail evidence, the textual evidence or fact it means that berfakta, ya. Argumentatif need fakta, and then statistics, example. We need also example, and then observation, and also expert opinion. And commentary. So this commentary is an explanation of the details and topic sentence, and counter argument or opposing side. That it means that where you mention the other side of the supporting reason. And rebuttal, it means concluding statement in refutations of the counter argument. So in body paragraph, we need also the conclusion. Next. So this is the example of body paragraph. I will read first. The excess of trash has left us without any place to dispose of it properly. According to Andrew Rooney from the editorial America the Not So Beautiful, the citizens of New York City throw away 9 times their weight in garbage each year. If this is just New York City, not even the entire states, can you imagine all 50 states? Very soon America will have to start exporting its trash to other nations because our landfills are overflowing. On the other hand, there are new methods of recycling goods that seems to assist with this trash issue. However, it is very unlikely that this will help, as only a small quantity of products can actually be reused. The idea that disposing of things properly is going to make a difference still doesn't eliminate the need for places to throw away the actual trash. So this body paragraph, the example of body paragraph is about the trash, yeah. So let's see. I want you. Oh, before that, before we come to the assignment, do you have any questions about the body paragraph first? Do you understand all about the body paragraph, like 5 stage for body paragraph? Do you understand all?
I understand, Miss.
Okay, so let's see if you have understand about this topic about body paragraph. So let's see for the task 3, analyze body paragraph first into its stage. Di sini ada 5 ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah, di sini ada 5 stage that you must move that from this paragraph to this table. Jadi dilihat di sini yang mana yang termasuk ke topik sentence. Where is each sentence that is the topic sentence, and then where is detail and also commentary and etc. Ya. Jadi kerjakan ini dulu assignment. I give you 5 minutes for doing this assignment, and then you send me to my WhatsApp or no for WA group ya. WA group. You send me the assignment, and then I want to discuss it today. Today I want to discuss it in our class. Okay, I give you 5 minutes from now. Okay, Nazira sudah submit ya. You have submit. Okay, Cut Nurul Azmar, good. Firman. Okay. Fahmi. Titin, okay. Jasmani. Okay. Good. Nurhayani. Okay. Liana. Anggra ini belum ya? Anggra ini belum. Didn't send it to me. Makfira, okay. Asmaul Husna. Good. Yeah, let's see for Liana assignment ya. For Liana assignment, di sini Liana menjawabnya benar semua for the table. think that Mafirah also right for the correct answer. Salman, good. Bagus ya. Kelihatannya kalian sudah paham semua ya. Anggraini, Titin, okay. Okay, and now let's see for the correct answer. Okay, this one. Ini yang jawaban benarnya ya. So the sentence of the excess of trash has left us without any place to dispose of it properly, itu masuk ke topik sentence. And then for according, nah di sini. Kalau detail evidence itu artinya bukti ya. Nah kalau bukti dia butuh menurut siapa kita ambil argumennya, seperti itu ya. Jadi this is according lah, menurut siapa? Menurut si Andrew Ronnie from the additional America bla 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 bla. Ini masuk ke details. And then if this is just New York City sampai overflowing, itu masuk ke komentari. And also on the other hand, nah ini berargumen opposing side. Kalau ada opposing side berarti dia menggunakan seperti on the other hand dan seterusnya. Berarti ini dia berargumen ya. And also kita masukkan di sini setelah kita sudah memberikan topik, details, komentar, juga berargumen, kita harus mengambil kesimpulan. Nah, inilah kesimpulannya. Kesimpulan dari body paragraph. Oke ya. Paham ya? Di sini Miss lihat juga dari assignment-nya banyak yang benar, rata-rata benar semua. Good. Okay, we next to the last topic about this is body paragraph, still body paragraph. Nah, this is about we move to concluding paragraph, tentang conclusion, bagaimana kita mengambil conclusion. So, untuk pengambilan conclusion paragraph, we need to readdress your thesis or claim using the different words from your introduction. Jadi untuk mengconclude, kalian lihat dulu di introduction-nya. Firstly, you need to read again, you reread about the introduction that you have tried. And then the second one, you offer possible solutions to reach an agreement if possible. Jadi dibuat over possible solutions-nya apa? Kalian tuliskan di conclusion paragrafnya. Nah, this is the example of concluding paragraph. Finally, nah, di sini harus ditegaskan akhirnya bla 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 apa yang mau kita sampaikan conclusion-nya. Seperti itu ya. Jadi kita menyimpulkan sesuai dengan introduction yang sudah kita tuliskan di paragraf pertama ya, first paragraph. Before I close our class today, do you have any questions about argumentative essay, like for introduction, body paragraph, and also conclusion paragraph? Is there any questions?
No, Miss.
No? Okay, no, yeah. Okay, if you don't have any question, kita kembali lagi ya ke tugas kita sebelumnya. Nah, this is still task 2. Okay, writing an argumentative text. Write the introduction, and then body, and also concluding paragraph of the following topic. Nah, ini topik yang Miss berikan. Why there should be less or no more homework. Jadi kalian buat introduction-nya dulu. Intronya, kalian setuju tidak dengan ada homework di sekolah? Kalau you are agree, kalau kalian agree, jadi kalian berarti cantumkan itu evidence-nya. Menurut siapa yang mengagreekan? Atau kalau kalian disagree, cantumkan juga menurut siapa. Oke ya, berargumen di situ. Jangan lupa juga masukkan di body-nya, and then conclude. After you write the paragraph, I need you to divide the sentence, then move to the table provided to show the structure of the paragraph. Nah, Untuk di introduction, kayak seperti last week. Nah, last week background information-nya gimana? Thesis claim-nya bagaimana? Buatkan tabelnya juga. And then for body paragraph also I need you to make this table too. Topic, detail, and also rebuttal. Paham ya semuanya sampai di sini? So deadline-nya Miss minta if possible, I give you 1 week. No. I give you 8 days, not 7 days. I give you 8 days for submit it to e-learning ya. Jadi misalkan buat e-learningnya nanti Miss akan sampaikan ke Komti. Kalau Miss sudah submit, kalau Miss sudah create ya, I have create the e-learning. Like after that, you can submit to e-learning. So, do you have any question? No ya? Yang pentingnya kalian udah paham juga. Miss lihat di assignment, juga semua sudah pada benar semua jawabnya. So, if you don't have any question, I think that our class, I want to close our class now. So, inshallah next week we have midterm ya. Next week kita midterm. So after that, after midterm, we continue our lessons about the other topic. Okay, that's all for our class today. See you next week, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.